Welcome to another IT Cul-de-sac tutorial video. Today we're going to be looking at how to speed up the startup of your computer, specifically looking at switching off programs that may slow down the startup of your computer. So when your computer switches on, obviously it loads up the operating system you're using, but also a lot of programs such as Steam, your antivirus system, that sort of thing, also like to load up at startup. iTunes is a really good one. It likes to load itself at startup so that it can check for updates. Obviously the more programs that load during startup, the longer the process takes, and you can actually choose which programs you want to start on startup. Previously with Windows 7 and earlier versions of Windows, you had to do this with msconfig. With msconfig, which is the system configuration utility, and you see there's a tab called Startup. But you'll see with Windows 8, this has now been moved to the Task Manager. Now to open Task Manager, you can obviously go through the system configuration utility. You can also go to the search charm bar and just type in task, even just TAS, and you'll see Task Manager pop up. Or obviously you can do Control-Alt-Delete and pull up Task Manager that way as well. There we go. Now the tab we want today is the one marked Startup, and here we see a list of programs that load upon startup. We have the name of the program and the publisher, so we can help know which program we want to select. And we have a status, disabled or enabled, and hopefully with Windows 8, a new feature, we also have the startup impact bar, which shows how much an impact on your computer startup any given program has. Obviously medium, and there's also a heavy usage option, are programs that heavily slow up your computer. Something that's low or none doesn't have an impact. To switch off a program, it's dead simple. Click on the program you want and click on the word disable, and if you want to switch it back on, you can just click enable at a later date. If you switch off all programs that are probably medium or high, then you'll significantly speed up your computer's load up time.